If you want to access and sync iCloud messages on your iPhone, you can easily turn on the Messages in iCloud feature through Settings. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. At the very top, tap on your Apple ID name. If you don't see it, scroll down and tap on iCloud instead. Now tap on iCloud, and if you see Show All, go ahead and open it. Here, find Messages and turn on Sync this iPhone. Once this is enabled, your messages will start syncing with iCloud across your Apple devices. Now go back to the main settings page and tap on Messages. Make sure you are signed in with your Apple ID. If you face issues like iMessage waiting for activation, here are a few quick fixes. First, try turning iMessage off and on again. If that doesn't work, check your date and time settings under General and make sure it is set to automatic. Still not working? Go to Settings, then General, then Transfer or Reset iPhone, and choose Reset, and again choose Reset Network Settings. After that, reconnect to Wi-Fi and try activating iMessage again. Once everything is set, open the Messages app and your chats will begin syncing from iCloud. That's it. That's how you enable and fix iCloud messages on iPhone for proper syncing. If this iPhone tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more quick how-to guides.